Yo, this is Video Reborn. I copped two Nike On Air sneakers from the sneakers app. These are the winners from the design contest from 2018, voted by thousands of people around the world. Now, let's check it out. Yo everybody, this is Video Reborn. Last year, Nike invited the locals from 5 different cities: New York, London, Paris, Seoul, Shanghai, and Tokyo to design their own Nike Air Max inspired by the uniqueness of their communities. From these on-air workshops, 18 finalist designs were chosen and voted by the public on 6 winners per city. This is the unboxing and review of the Gabrielle Serrano from New York City, the La Mezcla. Let's check it out. Now let's unbox this Nike Air Max 98 La Mezcla by Gabrielle Serrano. So La Mezcla means mixture in Spanish. New York City is one of the most diverse population in the world. So once we open the box, we have the postcard. It says On Air and then some skin tone color, Statue of Liberty, the compass, and then the coordinate of New York City. And then here in a postcard it says, I hope when you wear these sneakers it feels like you have a little piece of New York with you. Remember to walk with love in your heart for all people. Gabrielle Serrano and Queen Leo. Alright, we have all 5 cities of the contestants: Paris, Tokyo, New York, Shanghai, and London, as well as Seoul. Once you unwrap it, this is the left side of the sneakers, and you can clearly see that the colorway is really vibrant. To be honest with you, when I was looking at the picture, I couldn't even tell that it's that attractive, but once you see it in person, the whole thing shines and pops right in front of you. As you can see, this shoe has different colors, and let me briefly talk about the meaning behind all these colors being put on here. I really love the meaning. It represents the earth, basically, the world. And in between you have all these highlighted stripes that represent different color, skin tone color as well. To me, it feels like the whole spectrum of the skin tone color has different people coexist together in New York City. The next one is a suede material in gray. It really feels premium. And then this one represents the road and the streets of New York City. And you have the Nike swoosh here in very reflective bluish greenish color. And in the front, you have this cracked, speckled leather. This represents the concrete all around the New York City, either the streets or the buildings. And the mudguard as well, it's all cracked, speckled leather. Okay, let's check out this beauty. And at the back, it says New York City. At the pull tab, this tiny detail also tells us a very interesting story. It means that this black people and white people coexist in America that built America. Well, correct me if I'm wrong. Please put it down on a comment and let us know that what you think about these colors. Also at the midsole, you get the blue color of the insert. This represents 2 things: the team knocks that Gabby likes, and also the waterway surrounding the Manhattan and New York. And over here, the shoelace color, this is greenish, copper greenish, representing the Statue of Liberty. And here you got the compass. And next, you have the coordinate over here that we can look at it, try to do a search on a map, and see where exactly this is located at.
The exact drop pin location is the Father Duffy Square, which is the Times Square. This coordinate is slightly different from the New York City Hall on the postcard.
On the right side of the shoe, it's pretty much the same thing as the left side of the shoe, except the shoelace is in blue colorway, representing again Knox or the water around the New York City. At the bottom of the outsole, it's a translucent rubber material. And you can take a look here. Look closer about this. And then in the front, which is very interesting, I find that a little bit weird. It looks like poop on the street. So I don't know if that's the intention of it. So put down in your comment why it is so black and like muddy over here. Other than that, I would say this is so premium looking, and I really absolutely love the design. And inside within the right shoe, there is the white shoelace, and on the shoelace there's the name La Mezcla. Again, this means mixture. I keep put glues on the insole.
When you put two insoles left and right together, it forms a world map hand-drawn by Gabby.
There's also a hidden message over here. When you pull the tongue, it says Queen Leo, as well as on both sides, left and right. And to be honest, I don't know why this shoe is sitting. It's like the best ones, it's Shanghai, got like the best, highest resale value, around like more than $400 to $500 from StockX as of today. And this shoe is just sitting in, you can just order it directly from Nike. And it's cost MSRP $200. And I just think that it's kind of sad that it's sitting. Maybe the price point is too much compared to the Shanghai one with a special top. This, of course, is not as unique as the Shanghai. Although the Tokyo Maze as well as the Korea Seal, those two are really cool. But I still think that this one has the best meaning. I really like the idea of diversity, and this represents the globe, the human race, and this sneakers it is. Anyway, this is the La Mezcla. So stay tuned for my second unboxing and review. I'm gonna do the Paris work in progress. Stay tuned.
This is not a sponsored video, so if you would like to see more of these unboxing and reviews, please subscribe and put a thumbs up. Also stay tuned for the upcoming On Food section. Thanks for watching. This is Video Reborn.